Welcome to Class 8, Mathematics Chapter Power Play. Today we simplify 5 expressions and write them in exponential form. Expression 1, 10 to the negative 2 times 10 to the negative 5. Expression 2, 5 to the 7 divided by 5 to the 4. Expression 3, 9 to the negative 7 divided by 9 to the 4. Expression 4, 13 to the negative 2 raised to the negative 3. And expression 5, m to the 5 n to the 12 times mn all to the 9. 5 expressions. Each looks messy, but hidden inside are clean, elegant answers. We break down questions step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Here are our 3 power tools. Law 1. When multiplying same bases, add the exponents. Law 2. When dividing same bases, subtract the exponents. Law 3. A power raised to another power. Multiply the exponents. And here is the best part. These laws work even when the exponents are negative. Keep these close. We will use every single one. Let us tackle part 1. Same base 10. And we are multiplying. So law 1 says add the exponents. Both bases are 10, highlighted in yellow. So we write 10 to the power negative 2 plus negative 5. But watch out, both exponents are negative. We need negative 2 plus negative 5. Adding 2 negatives gives a bigger negative. Negative 2 plus negative 5 equals negative 7. So our answer is 10 to the power negative 7. Great work on part 1. Now part 2, same base 5, but this time we are dividing. Law 2 says subtract the exponents. Both bases are 5. Same base division, so we subtract. We write 5 to the power 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, that is just 3. Clean and simple, 5 cubed. Now things get spicier. Negative meets positive in division. Part 3. Same base 9, dividing again. So we subtract exponents. But here is where students trip up. We need negative 7 minus 4. Watch the signs carefully. Think of it like owing 7 rupees and then spending 4 more. You are now 11 in debt. Negative 7 minus 4 equals negative 11. So, 9 to the power negative 11. Next up, a power raised to a power, with a twist. Part 4, Law 3 says multiply the exponents. So we need negative 2 times negative 3. We write 13 to the power negative 2 times negative 3. And here is the beautiful part, a negative times a negative gives a positive. Negative 2 times negative 3 equals positive 6. The negatives cancel out. And we get 13 to the power 6. And now, the grand finale. Everything combined. Part 5 has 2 different bases and a power of a product. First, let us crack open m and all to the 9. Remember, a b all to the n equals a to the n times b to the n times b to the n. So mn to the 9 becomes m to the 9 times n to the 9. Now we have m to the 5 n to the 12 times m to the 9 n to the 9. Group the m's together and the n's together. For m, 5 plus 9 is 14. For n, 12 plus 9 is 21. And there it is, m to the 14, n to the 21. Here are all 5 answers, each one found by picking the right law and doing careful arithmetic. Part 1. 10 to the negative 7, using law 1. Part 2. 5 cubed, using law 2. Part 3. 9 to the negative 11, using law 2 again. Part 4. 13 to the 6, using law 3. Part 5. m to the 14 n to the 21, combining expansion with law 1. The method is always the same. Identify the operation, check if bases match, apply the correct law, and compute carefully, especially with negative signs. Negative exponents might have looked scary at first, but now you know the same 3 laws handle them effortlessly. That is real mathematical power. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.